Poco X2 to launch in India today, price, specifications, and how to watch live. Poco X2 is set to launch in India today. The phone, which will be the first by the Xiaomi spin-off brand, has been teased for a few days. Recent teasers have confirmed that the Poco X2 will sport a 120Hz display and come with a fast-charging technology. The handset is also speculated as a rebranded version of the Redmi K30 that was unveiled in December. The Poco phone would come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and a large earpiece, which could double as a secondary loudspeaker to provide stereophonic audio. Read on to know more about the Poco X2. Poco X2 launch details. The Poco X2 launch in India will take place at 12 p.m. noon East in New Delhi. The launch will be streamed live on YouTube, link embedded below. Furthermore, you can stay tuned to Tech News to catch the action live. Poco X2 price in India. The Poco X2 price in India hasn't yet been announced officially. Nevertheless, since the new smartphone is believed to be the rebranded version of the Redmi K34G variant, it could come with a pricing similar to that of the Redmi phone. The Redmi K34G is available for purchase in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 16,300 for the 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage option, while its 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant would be priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan, roughly 17,300 rupees. The smartphone also comes in 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model at 1,899 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 19,300, and top-of-the-line 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage version at 2,199 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 22,400. To recall, Poco started its operations with the Poco F1 back in August 2018 that carried an initial price of Rs. 20,999. The phone, however, did receive some price cuts in the recent past and is currently starting at Rs. 14,999. Poco X2 specifications, features. Recent teasers have confirmed that the Poco X2 will come with a 120Hz display and include support for 27W fast charging. Particularly the fast charging tech is claimed to provide 0 to 40% of charge in just 25 minutes. Further, the smartphone is teased to have a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and a new thermal management system with liquid cooling support. Poco India has also confirmed that the X2 would come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. It is speculated to be the Snapdragon 730G SoC, given the similarities expected with the Redmi K34G variant. If we look at other specifications of the Redmi K34G variant, it is safe to expect that the Poco X2 would feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with a dual-hole punch design and 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone would also come with dual selfie cameras, with a 20-megapixel primary sensor, and a quad rear camera setup that would include a 64-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel secondary sensor, 2-megapixel tertiary sensor, and a 2-megapixel quaternary sensor. The Poco X2 is also likely to include a 4,500 mAh battery and have NFC support. Moreover, it would run Android 10 out of the box, with MIUI 11 on top. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.